So today's August 11th. It's been a year since we harvest from the Asian pear. If you remember last year, there was tons of fruit. But this year it's much less, like very, maybe 50% less. But the size improved quite a bit. Like you can see, compared to last year, there isn't much fruit, so this is an off year for it. But size does improve a bit. Let me see. Let me see which one. I saw some really big ones hidden. Oh, there you go. There you go. So there's no spray in this tree. We have our wonderful harvest. Hey, Ing, are you tired?
Nope.
You like this job?
Yeah.
You know what the pay is? Ang, you know what's the pay?
Yeah.
What do you get paid?
How much are you money?
100? No, I'm paying you in fruit.
Fruit?
Yeah, that is the currency. Your labor earns fruit. I got $100. Do you still want to work?
Yes.
Have you eaten it? Here. Okay.
Mm.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this year,
Do I get paid?
yeah, in fruit currency, as always.
That's not country.
That's my currency.
No, that's a food.
So, we'll see you next time. Say bye, Yang.
Bye.